For number 17, it asks to find the reflection of this function over the x-axis. Since the x-axis is here, we need to reflect it over the x-axis. So if you don't remember the rule, what you could do is just plot the points, and once you plot the points, reflect them over the x-axis. So -1, 3 is, we'll just say it's about here. 7, 2 is about, we'll just say it's about here. And negative 2, we'll say is about, it's about here. So if I'm going to reflect it across the x-axis, I reflect, here let me label these real quick so I know what I'm talking about here. This is -2, -2, and this is 7, 2. So if I reflect them, I reflect this over the x-axis, I reflect this over the x-axis, and I reflect this over the x-axis. So we have new points now. So this new point becomes, if I read it, it's -2, +2, and this new point becomes, if I reflect it, my y value changes, so I have -1, -3, and I change this to say I have 7, -2. And if you notice the rule, if you take a look at this y value becomes opposite, this y value becomes opposite, and this y value and this y value becomes opposite. So reflecting over the x-axis, if you can remember the rule, it makes the y value opposite. So you don't have to graph it if you know the rule that reflecting over the x-axis makes the y value opposite.